Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dedek Sari, NPM 234111026, and I'm from class MNG 20TC. I will presentation about material is situation and leadership behavior. Situational leadership emphasizes adapting leadership style to a specific demand of given situation and the readiness level of followers. It rejects the notion of a single best leadership approach, instead advocating for flexibility and responsiveness. Next, as is key concept in situational leadership. Follower readiness or maturity. This is a crucial element. It assesses followers' ability and willingness to complete a task. Readiness is not a fixed trait. It can change depending on the task, the individual, and the situation. Four levels of readiness are often identified. Readiness R1. R1 is low. Followers lack both the ability and willingness to complete the task. And the next R2 is moderate. Followers lack the ability but are willing to complete the task. R3 is moderate. Followers have the ability but lack the willingness to complete the task. And the last, R4, is high. Followers possess both the ability and willingness to complete the task. The next, leadership styles. Situational leadership models typically define several leadership styles that correspond to different levels of followers' readiness, while specific names and categories vary across models. Common styles include number one, telling or direction, which is S1, high directive, low supportive behavior, sustainable for R1 followers who need clear instruction and close supervision. And the next, number two, selling or coaching, is S2, high directive, high supportive behavior, sustainable for R2 followers who need guidance and encouragement. And the next, number three, is participation or supporting, is S3, low directive, high supportive behavior, sustainable for R3 followers who need support and collaboration. And the number four, delegation, is S4, low directive, low supportive behavior, sustainable for R4 followers who are capable and motivated to work independently. And situational factor is beyond followers' readiness. Other situational factors can influence the appropriate leadership style. These include task complexity. Is more complex tasks may require a more directive approach, and time constraint is urgent situation might necessitate a more directive style. And the next, organizational culture, is the organizational culture can influence the acceptability of different leadership styles. And the next, team dynamics. The existing relationships and dynamics within a team can affect the effectiveness of various styles. And the next, applying situational leadership is effectively situational leadership. Number one is assess followers' readiness. Is carefully evaluate the ability and willingness of each follower for the specific task at hand. And number two, select appropriate style. Is choose the leadership style that best matches the followers' readiness level and the situational context. And number three, adapt the adjust. Is remain flexible and willing to adjust the leadership style as the situation or follower readiness change. And number four, develop followers. Is a situational leadership aims not only to achieve immediate result but also to develop followers' capabilities and independence over time. And next slide is critiques of situational leadership. While widely used, situational leadership is without its drawbacks. Some critics argue that it can be overly simplex, failing to capture the complexity of real world leadership situation. The model's reliance on subjective assessment of followers' readiness can lead to inconsistencies. It might not provide clear guidance on how to handle situations where followers exhibit conflicting levels of ability and willingness. So, a conclusion is material is, despite this Christmas critiques, situational leadership remains a valuable framework for understanding the importance of adapting leadership style to the context and needs of followers. It underscores the need for flexibility, empathy, and a focus on developing the capabilities of team members. Okay, thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.